Anyway, this is...
She hit me in the elevator because I was standing too close to her and she was worried what the camera would think.
Hey, so you don't know, people may watch on security. He always tries to make it look sexual, so excuse me. Anyway.
Not at all. You're a girl.
So what?
You're a woman.
I have to live here. The security guys probably already think I'm weird because I like dance around in the elevator when no one's in there.
So you're mad when I stand there? Anyway, so...
Whatever. So he's been married twice already, and he was engaged to Alanis Morissette.
Yeah.
And married to Scarlett Johansson, who he broke up with Blake Lively. And my thing to that is, why? ScarJo is so
No, I disagree. I think Blake Lively is like a Greek goddess. Like, to me,
I think she's so pretty, but
someone,
I like ScarJo more than Blake.
No, ScarJo's a little more like voluptuous and short and frumpy, and Blake Lively's got like that.
Short, frumpy.
I know, and
boobs.
So fine,
Short,
you can be ScarJo.
frumpy,
I'll be
big
Blake.
boobs.
Long blonde hair. I don't know, like Blake Lively is just very stoic in my mind, so I think that's a good pair. My friend is actually getting...
I also don't think Ryan Reynolds is that attractive.
Oh God, they're like, oh my God, they're like Greek gods. Have you seen Ryan Reynolds shirtless? Holy fuck.
Yeah, that doesn't mean his face is attractive.
He is not gay fat.
Oh, what? I did not know he was in gay fat. I didn't know having a six-pack entitled you to be potentially gay fat.
You could have a six-pack and still be gay fat, I think. I have to Google the rules of gay fat.
Anyway, Brian Lochte is upset about it because his dream girl is Blake Lively. Ooh, sorry. You could read that part.
No, I'm upset because, well, Ryan Lochte's full of shit because he's gay. I don't care what anyone says. I think that Ryan Lochte likes men because when he was being interviewed for the Olympics over the summer, they were like, he was on, I think it was the Today Show, and he was like, talking about what his favorite thing to do is, and he really likes fashion and clothing and designing clothes, which is fine. You can be straight into clothes.